Hi friends! Today I'm making super simple make-believe games you can play at home. Are you ready? Game 1. Magic Box Rocket. Find a big box. I draw windows, you can color stars. Sit inside, count with me, 1, 2, 3. Whoosh! We fly to the moon. Spot a sleepy star? Wave hello. Can you make a rocket sound shazoom? Game 2. Color Treasure Hunt. I place 3 soft toys, red, blue, yellow. Can you find something red? Point to it. Now something blue. Great job. Last one yellow like the sun. Big clap. Game 3. Sock Puppet Friends. I slide a clean sock on my hand. Draw 2 big eyes. Hello, puppet. Can your puppet say hi? Let's pretend we're at a tiny tea party. Sip, sip, ah. Game 4. Pillow Path Adventure. I lay pillows on the floor to make a safe path. Step, 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 don't touch the lava. Freeze like a statue. And go. Game 5. Shaky Rain Bottle. With a grown-up, fill a clear bottle with dry rice and sparkly bits. Close it tight. Shake, shake, shake sounds like gentle rain. Can you shake fast? Now slow. Lovely. Bonus quiet time. Sky pictures. Lie down and look up. What shapes can you see on the ceiling or in your mind? A bunny? A boat? Take a big breath in and out. You played so kindly today. I'm proud of you. Tell me your favorite game, Rocket. Colors, puppet, pillows, or rain bottle. Bye-bye, friends. See you next playtime.